Top of the clock. What's up to the notary entrepreneurs out there? Hope you all are profitable. Hope you all are crushing it. Let's get right into it. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why I decided to start a signing service and why you should start one as well. So if you're a solo mobile notary that's tired of spending the majority of your time in traffic, you're spending the majority of your time at the signing table, and if you're tired of putting thousands of mileage on your vehicle, you're tired of spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on ink or in buying reams of paper, and if you're ready to triple your income potential, if you're ready to expand your reach past your local area, if you want to provide convenience and flexibility for your clients so you become their go-to notary service, make sure you tune into this video. I got a special one for you. So let's get into it. I'm going to share 3 reasons why I got started. So number 1, I wanted to expand my local reach. I live in the city of Stockton. It's a fairly small city compared to Oakland and San Francisco and the Bay Area, and then we're right between Sacramento. It's a big difference when it comes to just the population count. And quite frankly, business was not booming as I anticipated when I first started, as compared to those 2 areas. Now, I was getting signings, but they were mostly from being a part of signing order, being a part of SnapDocs, and being a part of those, those signing agent directories like 123 Notary and Notary Rotary, or even NotaryCafe.com. So I was getting my business from those platforms, but I wasn't getting enough direct business. And so when I made that decision to start a signing service, and I stepped up my efforts to, attending more networking events, doing more outreach, and letting those clients know that not only can we service your clients in this city, but we can also service your clients all throughout the state and even nationwide as well. I started to see more leads coming in. I started to see more opportunities come in, and I didn't really have to spend that much time on the road anymore. So that's the first reason why I wanted to start expanding past my local area. Number 2 is I wanted to spend more quality time with my family. As a mobile notary or even notary signing agent, for those of you who are just like how I was when I first started, doing loan closings, you're doing these refis, you're spending that time printing out hundreds of pages of documents, you're spending that time preparing for the signing, and then you go on to being on the road and traveling to the signer. In some cases, we're driving 2 hours round trip, even 3 hours round trip. If you're really dedicated to this and you're trying to build your business, that time you're spending is not with your family. There have been many days where I wanted to have the opportunity to pick up my kids from school, but I couldn't because I had to spend time doing signings, whether it's 3 signings a day, 5 signings a day, or even sometimes 6 signings in a day. And these are all in-person signings. And by the time I got home from knocking out all those signings, I was drained. I was drained, literally. No energy to even do anything. Only thing I had enough energy for was to check on the family, ask the kids, "Oh, how was your day? What you do at school today?" Or even talk to the wife, "How was your day at work?" And the conversations were pretty much minimal because I didn't have enough energy to engage in those conversations because I spent the majority of my time working, being on the road, and at the signing table as a mobile notary. Number 3, the number 3 reason why I started this signing service was I was tired of missing out on opportunities. Now, as I said, I live in the city of Stockton, right? I wasn't getting much of direct business. But when I did get direct business, I did close on it. And I would oftentimes have clients that would reach out to me. They say, "Hey, we have a signing that's taking place 100 miles from where I live, or 200 miles, or even some rural area that I've never been to." And they would ask me if this is something I could help with. Now, with me living in California, we're not able to even though it's legal to do remote online notarizations, California notaries are not able to perform or even execute those remote online notarizations until 2030. It's insane, right? And I didn't have the network of notaries to be able to provide to service those signings. And so I missed out on a lot of opportunities. Why? Just a couple of reasons why I missed out on those opportunities. Number 1, I didn't have the knowledge. I didn't have the knowledge to be able to say, okay, I know a notary who I can send out there on how to execute this. And number two, I was like, well, I don't want to mess this up. I've never done it before. I don't want to refer them to a notary who they don't know, and it doesn't work out. And there was a fear that played into that as well. So, but once I invested in myself and took on, I'll never forget, shout out to Andre Hatchett. I was a part of this Notary November class, and this was a few years ago, and my intention was to start the signing service and get the knowledge and skills. So I wasn't, when the opportunity presented itself, I wasn't scared. I had the knowledge, I had the know-how, and I was ready to take that next step forward. And when I took that class and I decided to invest in myself and, get those skills to be able to do that, that's when that fear went away. That fear went away, and I was able to get that first signing, get that first signing assigned, and I've been rocking and rolling ever since. And since I started the signing service, I've had the opportunity to be able to not only take my kids to school, but I'm able to pick them up from school. I'm able to decline signings that's hundreds and even hundreds of miles away from where I live. I don't have to feel like I have to take on this signing because in my local area I'm not getting enough business. I'm now being able to pass that business on to a notary who may not have had the opportunity to get a signing for that day. I'm able to provide a winning situation for my client because they have a notary for whether it's for a real estate deal that's going to be closed, or even for an estate plan signing for a plan that the attorney has drafted up for their client. And I'm able to provide a winning situation for myself because I'm able to monetize from that as well. So with that, I've been able to create winning situations for all three of us, not only just for myself, but for the notary and for the client as well. And so with the signing service, again, think of it as a way for you to provide convenience and flexibility for not just for your clients, but you're also providing that flexibility for yourself to be able to do more of the things that you want to do. And this is like one of the best decisions that I ever could have made in this business. And I try to encourage my peers to also get into starting a signing service as well. Now, is it an easy thing to do? No, because again, you're still got to have faith in your ability to manage, be able to have faith and make sure you have the right notaries for your clients. That's also play a big role in this. But just like with anything, the more reps that you get with outsourcing signings and managing the process from fulfilling the order all the way down to closing the order, it gets easier and easier. And so my message to you today is, if you're ready to transform your business, if you want to do more than just sitting on the road, again, spending time at the signing table, you're tired of spending thousands of dollars on, like I said, ink, printing costs, car maintenance, and you want to be able to have the ability to take control of your time and while still being able to provide winning situations for your clients and for your notary partners, I definitely encourage you to start a signing service. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you ready to start a signing service? What are some things that are holding you back from starting it? I'd love to be able to help you guys out and help you get started. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And make sure you share this video with a notary who's been on the fence about starting a signing service. And hopefully this can be the video that can help them get over the hump and get started. All right, as always, I appreciate you all for tapping in with me. And until next time, y'all, peace.